Take a look at this 2009 Holden Commodore.
You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, stability control, power mirrors.
You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.